Here we are backing out of Colleen's driveway.
You are the biggest
Go to
nerd.
school on May 5th. Oh, my best friend Ryan Niklich. Go, what are you doing? Denise Pearson, she's gonna take my spot too. Make sure you lock your door.
Alright.
There's Ryan Niklich. How you doing today, Ryan? May 5th, 1995. I'm a senior. This is my prom day. The flag's at half-mast for what I don't know. I believe my good friend Mark Wazlewski is behind these doors. Mark Wazlewski, how you doing?
Pretty good. Thanks for the videotape there.
There's Jenny Bruder.
Are you doing a cameo in school today?
Yeah. Two wonderful students from the realms of Cary Grove.
Joe, guess what time I was up till last night?
What time were you up to last night, Mark?
1 o'clock.
Oh God, that sucked.
A hockey game.
Are you tired? You gonna be tired at prom?
There was a fight.
Was there?
Two coaches that fight.
Was it Naughton?
Nope, it was Thornburg, the little guy. It was pretty funny.
Was it just awesome?
Just awesome.
Then there's Jenny Bruder here. Hi, Jenny. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Joel's that new camcorder?
You looking forward to prom? No, it's an old one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who you going with?
This one.
Ooh! Should be fun.
Yeah.
All running along, kitty.
Yeah.
There's more school to see.
I'll leave you guys alone here. Here's the honors den. Hey guys, how's it going?
What's that for?
What?
What's that for?
It's for a photography project.
Yeah, cool, I'm in it.
Gotta turn off right now. Make this camera.
Alright, tell
What?
me your name and your
What,
measurements.
Kelly?
And your what?
And your measurements. Kelly, you go first.
That's okay.
I got a size C bust.
My dream.
Size C, that's all.
Okay.
Hey Mark.
Looks like the feels buff gang.
There's Jill Tursky. There's our legendary gym teacher, Mr. Marchuka. How's it going, Juke?
Good, Joel. What are you up to?
Not much, just making a little prom tape.
Alright. Hey, guys.
Look at those lat muscles. Here's our Cary Grove phones. And look at that guy right there. That's for and then high honors.
I'm a nine. You have to know you're like.
Oh, I
You have to know you're.
No, they've got 5.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Great.
Hi, Joel.
How you doing?
What's this for?
For photography?
Why?
Just kidding, it's for me.
For you? It's like a memory of senior year.
Yep.
Cool.
So how you doing, Michelle?
I am fine, Joel.
Looking forward to prom tonight?
Yes, I am very much looking forward to prom.
That's good.
I'm a bust number 1.
Are you? So am I.
Really?
Yep.
Wow, let's see here.
Bust
oh,
number 1.
9, there's Joel and Colleen. Number 19, Torsten and Michelle.
Aww.
Are you excited for prom, Joel?
I'm